Pento, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Everything is fine.
Yeah.
I said, Lucy, the girl that you gave it to me, he be pregnant too.
I think that one is good.
No. You know that I'm a headmaster of this school.
Ah, the headmaster. You go and chop the girl. No, so you know say you're headmaster.
So we say I know he say I chop him. I will say give it to me. You know that I go chop him.
Say I know.
But why are you saying that?
If you chop him, the person is pregnant.
So I want you to help me because if the government hear this, it will sack me from the school.
And it's true.
I want you to show me the way.
But what is the problem?
No, I want to clear it. Because if anybody here in this compound, it will be trouble.
If you clear, I don't that one be job now. No, so you know, so you shall get the idea.
So
if you give me money, I go do everything for you.
It be how much?
That one, abortion. Some people say you claim me from and say you only do.
Some say you
and if you do everything there, 3,000.
3,000.
I don't understand. That's abortion, you know.
I know. You give the girl to me.
Yeah.
So I know that you can do everything. So reduce it.
You go do
No,
I'm not the doctor.
I'm the doctor. You're not a bad boy.
Send me. So
don't bring any disgrace to your headmaster. So you have to do it. Lucy, I don't understand. No. Even go for role.
So you know, guys, if you chop the thing and you put the thing inside there, your stone inside that, you know, inside the person in prison.
I know.
And to bring the money, don't talk too much.
Make her give you
1,000.
I don't want anybody to make her give you 1,000.
No. I can't do that. Or can you take the money?
Whatever, bring the money. Okay. Don't go and do me kululu yao.
Headmaster, what are you trying to say?
Don't go and do me kululu.
Let you know me.
Okay.
Okay.
Please, I beg you. I don't want anybody to hear.
Headmaster, what do you?
Make her give me the money.
What do you mean?
Or the coin. Collect it.
No.
Collect it. After doing it all, try to see me in my office.
Okay.
For a cool job. Okay. After doing it, try to see me in my office.
I give you. If you panel, look at I'll chop this 1,000 Ghana. Hey, Sammy, how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Is everything okay?
Oh, sure.
All right.
God's grace.
Okay. I'd like to be a newcomer in this school.
Yes, please.
Come, let's talk. You know, I don't know, but I have a feeling that I need to talk to you. So, I'm one of the prefects in the school. So,
okay.
It's appropriate I come to approach you and let you know some of the rules and regulations, the do's and don'ts of the school.
All right.
In order for you not to fall yourself into trouble.
Sure.
Yeah. So, what I'll tell you, just be respectful.
Santa,
It be true.
why is it true? Yes, I'm pregnant too.
Easy. What are you doing? What? The way you say it, I don't understand. What?
For what? That time I'm doing lolo. Hey, I know the solution.
You know, so you can't write the exam next week.
I know. That's why. That's why I want to meet you. So what are you going to do?
If you don't create the thing now, you know your families. We beat you.
That one there. I'm not going to die.
What is? Not that one. Oh, what are you trying to say something?
Because I have son already. That if you do abortion, you could die. You.
No. What are you trying to say?
I warn you. And you didn't tell me anything.
Come in, can't back my cattle.
So, amount of the money.
The person is here.
Give it to me and let me go and buy the medicine.
See, I give you 500. Me myself, I take 500.
But you not be the pregnant woman.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, let's talk about the serious thing. Why are you doing that?
500.
You give me the money. Then I will dash you some.
No. Abortion do me price. So you
are a medical doctor.
You know me.
Don't do that. You give me the money, I'll give you some. That headmaster there. You know the thing you did you. Hey, you did me like this. And I said,
why you do stuff like that?
There's no news in there. Where I come from, I come from far away. Because me.
You see something like that. See.
I do like this. And he say,
this man. What about his stomach? What about the penis?
Hey, maybe I will draw his stomach like this. And then raise the half.
Yeah.
You know the half?
No.
Sure. Go and search it. Half.
Half means
like this.
Hey. This boy. Come on.
Just like can you?
Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye, madam.
Madam Koi. Madam Koi. Stop.
Hi, master.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Thanks. The end of term examination is coming.
Okay.
So you have to bring me the report to my office.
Okay.
For me to see it. Why?
Did you hear that?
Okay.
Let's put the reports aside.
Okay.
I think there is some issues that you need to address with them. A lot of them are very stubborn.
Okay.
You see, even the actual name that I came with to this school,
Which name?
the Matilda, they don't even mention.
Okay. So they call her.
They call me Miss Kwekwe.
Miss Kwekwe.
Especially that Anake and that pen top. They are very stubborn.
Okay.
You need to address it.
I'll talk to them. I'll address them.
Yeah, because their stubbornness is getting out of hand. And it's spoiling the name of the school.
Okay.
Especially those two students.
Okay, I'll talk to them. So bring the.
Okay, I'll get it ready.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe by tomorrow.
Okay.
See you. Bye.
Okay, I'm happy to see you guys. One thing is, we have gathered here in the name of one thing. You see, the teachers and the authorities in this school are complaining a lot. As you can see, day in and day out, this and that, all in the name of the bad behaviors going on. So I called you guys to please stay away from those.
What's going on here?
Oh, I'm just advising them and nothing else.
Sammy, you advise someone?
Yes, please.
And what are you doing here? Follow me.
Oh, but
Why do you want me to follow you?
I said follow me.
She's standing here.
What's going on there?
You were just advising you.
no, let me ask, is there anything going on between
This guy is not trying to police you.
No.
I think
Be careful.
she's the girlfriend.
Careful.
Girlfriend.
girlfriend
See you.
Girlfriend.
dating on campus?
This thing belongs to me. You understand?
Yes.
Really? Has it gotten to that point?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Because
So,
always they are-
are you also dating?
Yes.
I'm not doing.
Oh, you are denying.
I'm not doing.
You are denying.
Are you guys serious? Are you dating her?
I'm about to.
Kofi, be careful.
I'm about to.
You and your dad funny things now.
Oh, Lois.
Yes,
Good afternoon.
good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Why you're sitting outside here? It's not good.
The classroom is close to outside.
Oh, okay. It's good. Look, the way you did for the school is very, very nice, very decent. Eh?
Okay.
Try to encourage yourself, okay?
Okay.
And everybody in school, all the elders, they are happy about what you are. And you know, the quiz is coming. So you have to prepare yourself so that you win something for the school. And yes.
Why is that so nice?
I'm a teacher, you know, I teach everywhere, I teach everything. So if I put it, well, now I want you to do everything.
I'm feeling hot. That's why I opened it.
Okay. Well, the air is coming, but I don't know why. Okay, you are big. I know you are big. And boy, the way you did it, I've already tell you, say it's very nice. Try to encourage yourself. But who want to tell me, school really better. You understand?
Yes.
And be very, very careful. The boys around here, they are very bad. They are very, very, very bad. The last time I saw you, you were walking, one boy at your back, the way the guy looking you, I'm not happy. I'm not happy, but I don't want to say something about that. But yeah, as a teacher, I also are you understand?
Yes.
Are you understand? So be very careful how you are dressing, how you have to dress decent. You see, so that it will not attract anybody to look you. Are you understand? It's not good. And the God is not allowed that one. You see, that to learn hard. Okay.
Say I can do it.
Oh, I'm the teacher. I have to teach you everything.
I know where to put my hair. I can fix it.
Oh, okay. You can fix it.
Yes.
Oh, okay, nice. So I'm going to class, man. Go to your class. We'll go and learn. Go to your class, okay?
But this is sports. That's why I'm here to be teaching.
There's no teacher there.
No.
And the place is what?
It's hot.
It's what? Okay, I'm going to class and teach something. You see? So and the maths that I'm teaching you, I want to prepare you good about the nice math side. When you go to the quiz, I think math side, no, you will win. You will take it easily. Are you understand? Yeah, I'll prepare something for you, okay? So you take care of yourself, okay? Yeah. So I'm going to class. See you later, okay?
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. And great.